Welcome to our channel. Please like and subscribe. What is the immune system? Your body's invisible defense network. Right now, as you're watching this video, your body is fighting a war, a silent war. Millions of microscopic invaders are trying to enter your body every single day. Viruses, bacteria, parasites, dangerous toxins, and somehow, most of the time, you never even notice. Why? Because hidden inside you is one of the most advanced defense systems on Earth. An invisible army working 24 hours a day, every second of your life. It can recognize enemies it has never seen before. It can remember past attacks for decades. It can destroy infected cells, heal injuries, and coordinate billions of microscopic soldiers with terrifying precision. This system has protected you since the moment you were born. And if it stopped working for even a few days, survival would become almost impossible. Today, we're exploring the incredible science behind the human immune system, your body's invisible defense network. How it works, how it fights disease, why you get sick, and what happens when this powerful system turns against you. Because once you understand what's happening inside your body, you'll never think about illness the same way again. Let's begin. Chapter 1. Your body is under constant attack. People imagine germs as rare dangers, but in reality, your body is constantly surrounded by microscopic threats. Every breath you take introduces particles and microorganisms into your airways. Every surface you touch carries bacteria. Every cut creates an opening for infection. Even your food can contain harmful microbes. The world is filled with invisible life, and not all of it is friendly. Scientists estimate that your body encounters countless foreign invaders every single day. So why aren't we sick all the time? Because your immune system stands between you and a world full of biological threats. It acts like an enormous security network, constantly scanning for danger, and the moment something suspicious enters your body, the alarms begin. Chapter 2. The first line of defense. Your immune system starts protecting you before germs even get inside. Your skin is actually part of your immune system. It acts like a biological shield, blocking harmful organisms from entering the body. But your body doesn't stop there. Your eyes produce tears containing enzymes that kill bacteria. Your saliva helps destroy microbes in your mouth. Your stomach acid is powerful enough to dissolve many dangerous pathogens before they reach your intestines. Even mucus inside your nose plays a major role. It traps harmful particles before they can travel deeper into your lungs. Then, tiny hair-like structures called cilia sweep the mucus out of your airways. Your body is constantly cleaning itself, defending itself, and filtering threats without you ever noticing. It's like living inside a fortress with layers of automated security systems. Chapter 3. Meet the white blood cells if invaders manage to get past your external defenses. The real battle begins. This is where white blood cells enter the story. White blood cells are the soldiers of the immune system. They travel through your bloodstream and tissues, searching for anything dangerous or unfamiliar. Different white blood cells have different jobs. Some attack invaders directly, some gather intelligence, some coordinate attacks, and others remember enemies for future battles. One important group is called phagocytes. These cells literally consume dangerous microbes. They surround bacteria, trap them, and digest them from the inside. Another major group is called lymphocytes. These include B cells and T cells, two of the most powerful weapons in your immune system, and together they create one of the most advanced defense systems nature has ever produced. Chapter 4. How your body recognizes enemies. One of the most incredible abilities of the immune system is recognition. Your immune system must constantly answer one important question: what belongs here and what doesn't? To do this, immune cells examine proteins found on the surface of cells and microbes. These proteins act like identification tags. When the immune system finds something unfamiliar, it launches a response. This is why viruses trigger immune attacks. It's why bacteria are targeted, and it's also why transplanted organs can sometimes be rejected, because the immune system recognizes them as foreign. This recognition process is unbelievably complex. Your immune system can identify millions of different threats, many it has never encountered before, and it does this continuously, every moment of your life. Chapter 5. The amazing power of antibodies when harmful invaders enter your body. B cells can produce special proteins called antibodies. Antibodies are like guided missiles designed for specific enemies. Each antibody is shaped to attach to a particular virus or bacteria. Once attached, antibodies can block infections, mark invaders for destruction, or help other immune cells eliminate them. This is one reason vaccines work. Vaccines train your immune system without forcing you to suffer the full disease. They introduce harmless versions or pieces of pathogens, allowing your immune system to prepare defenses in advance. So if the real virus appears later, your body already knows how to fight it. That's immune memory. And it's one of the greatest survival tools humans possess. Chapter 6. Why you get a fever when you get sick. Many symptoms actually come from your immune system fighting back. A fever is not always the enemy. It's often part of your body's defense strategy. Your brain raises body temperature to create an environment that makes it harder for certain pathogens to survive or reproduce. Inflammation also plays a major role. When tissues are injured or infected, blood flow increases to the area. This causes redness, swelling, heat, and pain. But inflammation also helps immune cells reach the battlefield faster. Even fatigue during illness has a purpose. Your body redirects energy toward immune activity and recovery in many ways. Being sick is more evidence that your immune system is actively working to protect you. Chapter 7. The difference between viruses and bacteria. Many people use the words virus and bacteria interchangeably, but they're very different. Bacteria are living single-celled organisms. Some bacteria are harmful, others are actually essential for life. In fact, your body contains trillions of helpful bacteria, especially inside your gut. Viruses are different. Viruses are much smaller, and they cannot reproduce on their own. They invade healthy cells and hijack them to make more viruses. That's why viral infections can spread so aggressively. And it's also why antibiotics do not work against viruses. Antibiotics target bacteria, not viral infections like the flu or common cold. Understanding this difference is incredibly important for medicine and public health. Chapter 8. When the immune system attacks the body. Sometimes the immune system makes mistakes. Instead of attacking dangerous invaders, it attacks healthy tissue. These are called autoimmune diseases. Conditions like rheumatoid arthritis, lupus, type 1 diabetes, and multiple sclerosis happen because the immune system mistakenly targets parts of the body itself. It's like a defense system becoming confused about who the enemy really is. Scientists are still working to fully understand why this happens. Genetics, environmental triggers, and infections may all play a role. And while the immune system is incredibly powerful, this shows it can also become dangerous when improperly regulated. Chapter 9. The immune system and allergies. Allergies are another example of immune overreaction in an allergic response. The immune system treats harmless substances as dangerous threats. Pollen, dust, pet hair, certain foods. Your immune system launches an unnecessary defense response, releasing chemicals like histamine. That's what causes sneezing, itching, swelling, or watery eyes in severe cases. Allergies can even become life-threatening. So, while the immune system exists to protect us, sometimes its reactions become too aggressive. Balance is everything. Chapter 10. The role of sleep, food, and stress. Your immune system is deeply connected to your lifestyle. Sleep deprivation weakens immune defenses. Chronic stress can interfere with immune function. Poor nutrition affects your body's ability to produce and support immune cells. Exercise, hydration, sleep, and healthy nutrition all influence how effectively your immune system operates. This is why people often get sick during periods of extreme stress or exhaustion. The body's defenses become strained. Your immune system is powerful, but it still depends on the health of the body supporting it. Chapter 11. The Future of Immune Science. Scientists are learning more about the immune system every year. Modern medicine is now using immune cells to fight cancer. This field, called immunotherapy, helps train the immune system to recognize and attack tumors. Researchers are also developing new vaccines, studying autoimmune diseases, and exploring how gut bacteria influence immunity. The more we understand this invisible defense network, the more powerful medicine becomes. And despite centuries of research, there's still so much we don't fully understand yet. The immune system remains one of the greatest mysteries in human biology. At this very moment, your immune system is still working silently inside you, scanning for threats, destroying harmful invaders, repairing damage, protecting your life. Most of us never think about it until something goes wrong. But the truth is, your survival depends on this invisible defense network every second of every day. An army of microscopic protectors fighting battles you'll never even notice. And honestly, that might be one of the most incredible things about the human body. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more deep dives into science, biology, and the hidden systems that shape human life. Because sometimes the most extraordinary things in the universe are happening inside you right now. That was excellent. Please like and subscribe for daily lessons. See you next time.